So right now you can see that the number is increasing, and so my voice is being recorded here. I'm going to start with just using the black pen, and I would start off by saying something like, "Hi students, welcome to our video here on coordinate geometry." Coordinate geometry, what we're going to focus on today is ordered pairs. So I'm going to just write that word up here so you have it, ordered pairs. Now, an important thing here is pairs reminds us that there's two. So in this case, we're going to have two components to it, and the order of them matters greatly. So the first of the two numbers we're going to call x, and the second of the two numbers we're going to call y. So you can see here on the numbers that we've got over here that the first number is always our x number. So 2 here is our x, -2 here is our x. 2 in this ordered pair is our x. -2 in our ordered pair here is our x. Whereas our second number is always our y number. So 3 in this case, 3 here, -3, -3. So it's really important that the first number is our x, our second number is our y number. Why does that matter? Well, it all matters when we get to a grid and we want to graph these in the correct spot. So you can see here we've got our central line that goes right across this point. The horizontal line is called our x amount. And guess what? It is going to be determined by what the first number of the ordered pair is. The second number is the y, and it is a part of the vertical here. And it's going to be determined by what the second number is. So the first thing is, the first number determines how much to the right or how much to the left we need to go. So for this number here, so this is written in black ink, you can see our x value is 2. Positive 2 means we go 2 to the right, which would be right about there. The positive 3 tells us that it's 3 up. 1, 2, 3. So it would be up 3 right there. So where those two spots meet is right there. So our ordered pair of 2, 3 would be graphed in this spot right there. Let's try now with the red one. The red one, the x now is changed. It's now -2, so it's 2 to the left. So it would be right about there. The y is still in the same spot. It's positive 3, so it's 3 up, which would be in the same spot it was last time. Where do those two meet? You can see they meet right about there. So our red spot is -2, 3. The blue spot, we would do the same thing. You would see it would be 2 to the right, and it would be now -3, and the y means 3 down. So 1, 2, 3, which would be right about there. 2, -3. Last one here, the green one, -2, -3 would end up being found right about there. So I'm hoping this gives you a quick introduction into ordered pairs, and you are able now to see how we graph different ordered pairs. And remember, order matters. X is first, y is second, x is left to right, y is up and down. Hopefully this helps.